see that. I want to see it. Some raggedy ass background. Hi. Welcome back to your Welcome back to your unreliable YouTuber, Isis. So obviously my hair is different than it was in my last video, and it's going to continue on being different because that's what I do. And I had braids and then I cut them. I'm going to show you quickly what I'm attempting to do. Actually, let me get some. So I'm basically trying to attempt to do full locks on individual braids. And I'm using hair color 350 because that's the closest, that's what these braids color are, so they match obviously, or what are we doing? Actually still would be doing it because I don't care anymore. There's two ways. I've saw this way and it seems the least annoying, where you just wrap it around itself on the braid and then where the hair started. Why my hand's getting stuck? I don't know, because I was doing this all so well before I turned on the bloody camera. But yeah, so basically, I don't know if this is a good angle, but you are wrapping, you're wrapping. Why are you now stuck on me? You never stuck on me before, but now you'll be stuck on me on camera. We love that. But yeah, you just kind of keep wrapping. Also make sure you are wrapping kind of tight, but also not too tight where it's basically like you're twisting the hair. Made that mistake. Don't twist the end because that's what I need to do. So when it gets closer to like the end, now no one really explained this through the videos that I watched. They kind of just wrap it around and then prayed. And I mean that literally. They used to pray hands, but I'm gonna see if I can just not burn myself. Actually, let me do the prayer hands, because this is what they basically did. They prayed that the friction will get you stuck, and then don't you, okay. You just kind of hope that stays, and then you kind of get the lighter or the match, depending on your setup. I got a lighter. Oh! 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 Burn, damn it, burn! Burn together, melt together, melt together. Melt together. Okay. It's hot. Okay, now they should really good. Ah! Don't do that. This is the moment where Isis realized the amount of work this is going to take. So me doing this is one, it's cute. I think it's like burnt hair just flying around. Could have killed myself. I may have done goofed because anyone who knows me knows I don't keep hairstyles long. It's a miracle when I keep braids in longer than 2 weeks. And I wasn't doing a video, but what I do when I get tired of braids, which is I put a wig on. That's why I like to do individual braids or like very tiny braids. Not micro because or individual. Individual is like the best one for me because it's like basically it's as flat as it can be on the top, and I wear a lot of curly hair, so like it doesn't really, no one really notices unless I'm being lazy. But now thinking about it, I'm just like, so when I'm done with this, I have to not only take out these faux locks, not only take them out, I'm gonna have to take all these braids too. And I'm like, so that's what they're starting to look like. I'll probably come back to when they're like close to the top so you can kind of see it a lot more. Also, if I decide I'm going to continue this. And we will be right back. Listen, okay. Yeah, you're on my YouTube channel. No one can see you though. Listen, this is, don't ever do it. Don't do full locks. It's literally, forget everything I just told you in the first like 5 minutes of this video. No, it's a fail. Look at this. This shit. I don't care because it's my channel. Look at this. Easy to come off. And no, we're just, no. Talk some more. Oh, no. Okay, so the easy way that people said, why don't you just like wrap it around like the root of your brain and then just like wrap it and then, oh my god, it's easy, it takes less time. Don't do that. Do the crochet method. Get a hook so it has something to grip on, because this shit coming out easily, nah fam, that ain't it. This ain't it. We tried. We're keeping the braids until I decide otherwise, because this is, I'm not shaving my head. I am not shaving my head. I would have if this shit got not. Mama, I know I'm cussing a lot. I'm sorry, Mom. She watches my videos. She's like, why are you cussing? You ain't grown. I'm like, Mama, I'll learn it from you. No, Daddy don't cuss. It's you that cusses. Fuck that. Love you, Bubba. But yeah, don't do it. We're done with this video. Look at this. All those hours I spent doing this. Nah, fuck it. Done.